like to do is I'd like to use your test to make sure that we're safe for you to be operating that vehicle. Would that be okay? Is that something we can do? I got you, but I just saw a couple lane violations and then you ran a red light, so I just want to make sure that I can feel comfortable with you operating a vehicle, right? I got to do my job at the end of the day, you know? We all let go, so you need to do that. So what? So he was going to go, and you guys.
24, did you end up getting a return on that vehicle? Wisconsin temporary.
Bloomington, Illinois, Halloween night. A routine traffic stop until the passenger refused to get out of the car. What officers found next changed everything.
Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
It's real simple, man. He's giving you a lawful order. Get out of the car.
Get out of the
Man, if you want to talk to me, y'all can talk to me.
I have been talking to you, and you are saying that you are refusing to get out of the vehicle. So I'm giving you one more chance. Get out of the vehicle. I'm going to remove you from the vehicle.
Let go. Not grab.
Get out of the vehicle.
Not grab it.
Get out of the vehicle.
Simple. Get out of the car. You're getting pepper sprayed. It's real easy.
I'm finna get out, bro. Back up off me, bro.
Then get out.
I need y'all to back up, bro.
Get out now.
Step
I'm finna
out.
get out. Y'all need to back up away from me, bro. Y'all
Get out
pissing me,
of
bro.
the vehicle.
I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, I got out the car. Chill, my nigga.
Just relax.
Bro, tell them to let go, my nigga.
Just relax.
Nah, I can't relax if niggas just grabbing the shit out of me. If you finna talk to me, just talk to me. Do not start grabbing the shit out of me like that. Bro, let go of my nigga. What you mean stop?
Listen.
I'm not, bro, I'm standing here. Bro, let go of me. I'm talking to y'all. Let go of me, cuz. I'm talking to y'all acting like I'm pushing the shit out of y'all. I'm letting
So here's the deal.
talk
If you
to
don't
me
go in
from right
cuffs,
there. Let go
you're
of me.
going to the street.
Go in cuffs where? What the fuck? Where the fuck am I
telling
going?
you, you're being detained.
your back.
Where am I going for what? I'm letting y'all talk to me. I got out the car after y'all threatened me. What the fuck? Mom. Mom.
I told you to get out of the car. It wasn't an option.
Shut your ass up, bro.
Or 10-4. Said somebody a little less than cooperative. No.
Is there anything on you that's going to stab me, stick me, poke me, anything?
10-4. Could you confirm the last 6 of the VIN, please? And 4, thank you.
Under Maryland versus Wilson, 1997, officers may order any passenger out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. No individualized suspicion required. That order is not a request. It carries no negotiation. Refusing it violates Illinois compiled statutes. Title 720, Section 31-1, resisting a peace officer, a Class A misdemeanor, but one with mandatory teeth, 48 consecutive hours, minimum, or 100 hours community service. Supervision ineligible. Conviction is permanent and non-expungable. Officers verbalized an OC spray warning before any contact textbook. Use of force progression under Graham versus Connor. Escalation here was lawful and proportional.
Got a 32 in the center console.
He had weed in his pocket, and the car obviously smelled like the odor of.
Open liquor in the back as well. So.
Yeah.
How old is he?
We haven't even ID tested her yet.
Hey, Corey, if you want to Mirandize him and ask him about the 32 in the center console.
Just get him in the back of a car. This was not the right guy to be driving the car.
No. He is the registered owner, though, I think, right?
Yeah.
Titus? Or something?
Travell. Well, that's what his deal was.
Okay. What's that?
It was in the center console. Yeah, that was stupid.
Probably wouldn't be blowing red lights.
Yeah, no. Well, how does Wisconsin work for armed guns? Any idea?
Huh?
How does Wisconsin work for armed firearm?
I don't know. I'll have to take a look.
Ah, I found his driver's license for him. Beautiful. No, I haven't, but let's just probably do 2 in custody for now.
24. If we didn't advise, we have 2 in custody.
He's not supposed to have that problem. I'm assuming that's why he's mad.
Yeah, he tried tensing up and turning on wolves, so. Do you need anything else from me, B?
I think we're probably good.
Alright, cool.
Thank you, sir.
Beam, I'm gonna try to get you a serial number on this gun, but I'll have to run back to post to grab a tool. So I'll take a look at Wisconsin gun laws and try to get the serial number on this. If you want to finish up your tow and whatnot, or whatever you've got going on here.
Yeah. So what do I need to be doing with him right now? Then you think?
Well, your driver's suspended, right?
Yeah.
He can go to jail.
Yes.
Whatever the passenger's got, if he had weed or whatever, he can go to jail for that.
Okay. So Class A and Class A right now.
Yeah.
So
And I'll
we're
let.
able to get more on that, which you're working on.
Yep.
You want to slide in there and see if you can roll these windows up real quick? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, they were both acting very strange.
Oh,
right at the
that's
bat.
why.
That's why I was.
Because he had another fucking pistol under his seat.
There's another pistol?
Yes.
Ah. So they're both going to jail for this if they're illegal guys.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Well, I'll take both of these for you, and I'll get serial numbers and whatnot. I'd just get in your car and Mirandize your boy, because he probably thinks he can legally have one of them. .24. Could you run a pistol, please? serial number of Paul, Ida, Nora 0757, or being Paul, Ida, Nora 0757. That could be a Paul John, maybe. It'll be a Smith & Wesson equalizer, 9mm. Good boy.